Today we are looking at one of the last pure V8 supercars from the Scuderia, the Ferrari F8 Tributo. It blends brutal performance, racing-derived tech, and timeless Italian design. Let's see whether it still deserves its crown in 2026. Introduce the car. The F8 Tributo is the mid-rear engine Berlinetta from Ferrari. It follows on from earlier V8 mid-engine, Ferrari's successor to the 488 GTB, pushing the envelope on power, aerodynamics, and modern drivability. Under the hood sits a 3.9-litre twin-turbo V8, producing up to 720 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 770 Nm of torque at ~3 250 RPM. Drive is sent to the rear wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch DCT. Transmission, quick shifts, sharp response. Performance is blistering, 0 to 100 km/h, 0 to 62 mph, in ~2.9 seconds, 0 to 200 km/h in ~7.8 seconds, and top speed around 340 km/h, almost equal to 211 mph. Despite being turbocharged, the engine reportedly delivers power without noticeable turbo lag, thanks to refined turbo design, intake, exhaust optimization, and fast-reacting rev sensors. Verdict: the F8 Tributo remains ferocious, raw acceleration, immense top end, and a V8 character that still thrills even years after its debut. The bodywork and aero are heavily inspired by Ferrari's racing technology. A front S-Duct, reworked rear with a blown spoiler, underbody diffusers and rear flux deflectors, boosting downforce, improving airflow, and making the car more stable at high speeds. Carbon fiber components and weight-saving materials reduce mass. F8 is ~40 kg lighter than its predecessor, the 488 GTB, improving agility and handling. Aerodynamic enhancements reportedly provide roughly 10% better aerodynamic efficiency compared to 488 GTB. Inside, the cabin has been updated. Smaller steering wheel diameter for better tactility. Redesigned dash, door cards, transmission tunnel, plus a wide letterbox style. Touchscreen for the passenger, blending classic driver focus with modern usability. Verdict: F8 Tributo isn't just about straight-line speed. The aero, weight savings, and refined ergonomics make it a balanced mid-engine supercar, purposeful and polished. The updated stability traction systems, including revised side slip angle control, SSC version 6.1, plus Ferrari Dynamic Enhancer Plus, FDE Plus, help tame the raw power. On race mode, you get sharper throttle response and easier control even when pushing hard. Steering is precise and communicative. The chassis stays balanced through corners, making aggressive cornering or high-speed sweepers feel stable and confident. On track or track day style driving, the F8 feels alive. The engine revs eagerly, gearbox shifts are snappy, and the combination of aerodynamics and electronics gives control even near the limits. That said, on regular roads, with potholes or rough surfaces, ride comfort or clearance could feel compromised. See cons below. Verdict: it's a supercar that's as thrilling on track as it is usable on road for a supercar. A driver-oriented, analog-feeling experience with modern support systems. Exceptional V8 power and torque, 720 horsepower, 770 Nm, with fantastic throttle response and minimal turbo lag. Blistering performance, 0 to 100 km/h ~2.9s. Top speed ~340 km/h. Aerodynamics plus lightweight construction equals excellent stability, agility, and driving dynamics. Driver-oriented cabin, controls, steering feel, and visibility all focused on performance driving. Respectable usability even off-track, thanks to updated electronics and drive modes. Cons are trade-offs. As with many mid-engine supercars, limited ground clearance. Rough or uneven roads could be problematic. Rear visibility and practicality are compromised due to design and engine placement. Many supercars, including this one, trade comfort and practicality for performance. Given the F8 Tributo was introduced several years ago, production reportedly 2019 to 2023. By 2026, It stands as more of a flagship of V8, legacy the newest Ferrari tech, hybrids, etc. that may limit future-proofing. For everyday driving or in traffic, the supercar's nature may make it less convenient than regular cars. Fuel, comfort, noise, visibility, attention. Yes, the Ferrari F8 Tributo remains one of the most thrilling, pure V8 supercars you can own, even in 2026. Its blend of raw power, driver-focused dynamics, and race-bred aerodynamics means it delivers a visceral, emotional driving experience that few modern hybrids or GTS can match. For a buyer seeking a last great V8 mid-engine Ferrari, with razor-sharp performance, classic mid-engine handling, and a sense of analog driving purity, the F8 Tributo remains a top-tier choice.